Hello and welcome to our new website here at AHA Process. I'm going to take a few minutes and walk you through some of the information and help you to feel more comfortable with what you're seeing. This is Lynn Jackson, the Engagement Manager here at AHA, and I just wanted to say we're very excited that we're launching this website in hopes that it's more user-friendly and that you can find your way around very quickly. I'm going to go down this front page here in just a second, but before I do that, you're going to see at the top we have different options with lots of drop down. So that's one place for you to begin as you think about becoming really a good user of this website. If you are K-12, meaning teachers, administrators, you'll see that we have put all of that together for you. And if you're community, faith, healthcare, if you're first responder, if you're not-for-profit, we put those together too under this drop-down. So good places to begin. Let me just give you a quick tour of this front page. Click down. Our goal is that you have less clicks to get to where you need to be. For example, if you're an educator, you're going to click there. And it's going to begin to show you the different options and solutions that are here at AHA Process. So if you're thinking, I have some boys in my classroom and I'd really like to learn some tools on how to work with them and help them, then you can come in here and see what we offer. You're going to see boys in crisis, working with African American boys. You're going to be able to purchase the book. If you're interested, you can also go on to our on-demand, and I'll show you that in a moment, but there's an on-demand workshop. So as you scroll through, you're going to see everything under that topic is together, so you don't have to keep searching. If you happen to be on the community side, if you're working, your clients are under-resourced, if you're working as an employer or you're working in healthcare, then you can come over here. And let's go back. I'll go back to the very beginning and I'll click and I'll scroll down and I'll do communities and workplaces. So again, you can click through, see what it is that you're interested in learning more about. So I'm just going to pick Bridges Nonprofit. So if you're interested in learning more, you're going to see the Bridges books. You're going to see the workshops. You're going to be able to continue to scroll down and figure out, am I wanting to speak with someone about a workshop? Am I going to need to order some new books if we're offering Getting Ahead in your community? Anything that's live on Zoom, upcoming trainings will be listed here. And then also, again, we're going to look at on-demand in just a moment. So again, we're looking at 1 or 2 clicks in order for you to find solutions that you're considering. One of the things we've done here at AHA Process is moving many of our workshops and our trainings to on-demand. We know that your time is limited. We want to give you an opportunity to hear the information, learn the strategies, and we do that through the on-demand option. You can just scroll down. You'll see different workshops. You can purchase those. You can watch them when it fits into your schedule. When you purchase a workshop, it does come with a book, so you'll be able to have that as a reference as you're going through the workshop. So scroll down, you can see our options for our on-demand workshops. Now, if you're interested in a certification or a recertification, here's the place where you're going to be. So go up to on-demand, click on certification or recertification, scroll down, you'll be able to find what you're looking for. Our newest certification is Dr. Payne has put a new updated Framework for Understanding Poverty certified training on demand. Just came out in the last couple of days. So if you are a K-12, if you're a teacher looking for some solutions, know that this is now based off of her 7th edition of her original work, A Framework for Understanding Poverty. Continue to scroll down and you'll be able to see all of the different options that we're offering with our trainings, certifications, and recertifications. If you are looking for something that may be live on Zoom coming up, then just click on the Events tab. Scroll down, it's by date, so you're going to see what's upcoming, and all you have to do is click in, and that will take you to the registration process. Again, our goal is to make this website as user-friendly as we can. Now you may be saying, I just really want to order books. Okay, you have a couple of options. I'm going to use the Getting Ahead book as an example. So if you need to order workbooks for Getting Ahead, you're going to click one on Shop. You can do that. And you're going to scroll down and you'll see where we have more than one page of books. So keep scrolling until you find Getting Ahead. Now here's the thing I really love about this new website is when you click on Getting Ahead, it's going to ask you, do you need the facilitator notes and the workbook? If you don't, then just click into the workbook only. And that way you can start your order. Scroll down, put the number of copies that you need, you can add it to your cart. And from there, it'll take you through the process. That is exciting for me as I begin to help individuals place their order. Now here's another opportunity. So if you're going to see here under Community, this is Getting Ahead. Now we're going to go in, and here's another place where you can order. So you may be looking at going into the Community piece where it says Getting Ahead for that example of books, or you can click on Shop and find the book that you need. Choose the number of books that you want to order, put it into your cart, and then begin the checkout process. We are anxious for you to start using this new website and giving us feedback. So please do. If you find that there's something that you thought was on the other website, you can't find it, then just ask us and we'll help you to figure out what it is that you need to find. This front page talks a bit more about Ruby. You can learn more about her. If you just continue to scroll down, the thing I really like is that you can see some of our latest blogs. So if you're wanting to know what's happening in other communities, check out the blogs that we have posted. If you're not quite sure, there's tools and resources, so click on that. But this is the front page of our new website that we're very excited to introduce to you. We are here if you have questions, if you're not quite sure about something, then email or give us a call and we will help you navigate through the new website.